Hi everyone, it's Stacy from PeonyLaneDesigns.com. Have you subscribed to the channel yet? If not, click the little blue button. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, comment down below, like this video, and click the bell icon to be notified. Welcome back to the channel. It's another lovely day in Minnesota. I'm already prepping my glue gun. Second, let me plug it in. Woo! You know we're getting serious when she's prepping the glue gun. Immediately we're prepping that glue gun. Another project that has to get done. It's an Easter project. And we only have one sale left for Easter at Picket Fence Gals. Although last month we didn't sell all that many Easter things. So I'm like, I don't know what's happening. The entire sales cycle is off. Like off. At Christmas time, we did not sell a ton of things like Shiny Brights and stuff like that. And this last month would have been our first sale before the March sale. So Easter's at the end of March. For those of you who are like, Easter's in April. It's at the end of March this year. So we have the March sale to get the Easter stuff in. And I put Easter stuff in my February booth because I'm like, oh, we need to get a head start on it. Nothing really Eastery sold. Well, you saw the what sold video. But we got 1 month left. And I'm going to put in this bad boy. So I picked this up at a different thrift store, or actually a junk store. And it is one of the German Easter eggs that people love so much. We usually sell a bunch of these. The inner lining has dislodged itself. I'm not even sure how. It's just the glue got old over time, I'm sure. It doesn't look like anybody ripped it or anything like that. And it looks like the band's actually shrunk. So when I keep trying to pull this back into place, it's not really like fitting very well. So I'm just going to do my best to get this glued back into place. And I've got my hot glue gun and I'm going to clamp it with some clamps. Do I need more clamps? I got some smaller clamps up there. Maybe I'll clamp it. I can get this into the booth because this, can't sell it if it's not in there. And I don't want this to end up in here in a doom pile forever. I bought this beginning of winter, I think. I know it was cold. It was cold that day. I remember it being cold. Maybe it was last winter and I missed last Easter. Oh my gosh. How old is this? I would have to go back and look at my... Yep. You know what? I think it was. Been over a year. Didn't seem like a year. Boy, years go fast now. All right, let's see. Are we heating up over here? It's starting to. Don't worry, I'll get you switched around. Yeah, it's starting to come out of there, but let me get the smaller clamps and I'll get you guys facing down so you can see what I'm working on, and we're gonna fix this bad boy up. Years go so fast now. I must be old. All right. So the whole band has come off except in this spot over here. I think what I'm going to do is clamp the spot where it's holding on because I'm going to be tugging this and I don't want it to come completely dislodged. Although, look at that. That just doesn't seem like it should sit like that. I suppose it is supposed to sit up above a little bit, huh? It must. Okay. I'm going to hold it in place with the clamp so that, oh, got glue on it. Bloody hell. Keep it out of the way, Stacy. Because you're not responsible. Sorry, I have having a fight with the voices in my head right now. And there is a nice thick glue band in there from where the original glue was that I'm going to follow. Got green wax on there. Hello, dear.
Hello.
Are you sober?
Hold on.
What's up?
I'm gonna go try to finish that truck. I'm gonna pick it up.
Okay. I'm gonna keep working.
Right.
I love you. Familial interruptions. That's what happens when you work at home. He came in this morning. He had gone to watch a hockey game with the neighbors, and he was still a little tipsy this morning when he came in, and I said, he's funny when he's drunk. He's not a mean drunk. He's a silly drunk. And he was all happy this morning. This is harder than it looks, you guys. This thing just wants to move all around, and then I've got green all over. What the hell? Get off there. How did I get that? Where did that come from? One second while I tidy this up. Oh, do I ever want to just grab the tip and pull the rest of that off? But I know I can't do that. Okay, I think that's pretty good. And I know you can't really see it because I have to be able to see it, so showing you is difficult. Just know I'm following the glue line. There's a weird smell coming off this. I'm not sure if that's my glue gun or the egg. I think that's it. Let's see if we get it back together now. Yay! You're right. Where's that smell coming from? Is it you? It's slightly floral and sweet. Well, Stacy, that's the smell of arsenic. Go ahead and huff it some more. I don't know. I don't know where that smell is coming from. But there's a faint whiff of like florally Maybe I'm being haunted. Okay, if this was your Easter egg, I was only trying to fix it. I'm really sorry. Don't haunt me. It wasn't too long ago. Okay, so I'm going to tell you a ghost story. If you don't like ghost stories, you could switch off now. We're done with the project. But it was a few weeks back. And this room, something in this room. So I was working in here and I had shut the overhead light off because sometimes I'll do that thinking I'm going to save a little energy because I got two 600-watt bulbs. So I don't need the 4 incandescent bulbs that are in the chandelier that's in this room. So I don't always turn them on because I've got the two 600-watters. And I had worked into the night. And I shut the 600 watts off and it was really dark. And I was like, oh my gosh, it's so dark in here. I had to use my phone's flashlight to get out. That's how dark it was in here. And I left, went out, had some dinner with the dog. I was the only one home watching TV. I turned and looked, and there's a light coming from under the door of this room. And I'm like, what? Did I not turn those big lights off? And I opened the door, and it was the chandelier, and I'm like, but it wasn't on. It wasn't on. I had to use my flashlight to exit the very, very dark room, and somehow the overhead light turned itself on. No one else was home. My cats are in the basement, and the dog can't turn light switches on. Maybe whoever's haunting this is now sending me that floral smell. They're the ones that turn the lights on. Could have turned it on before I had to break the flashlight out. I'm just saying. Don't provoke the spirits. All right, everybody calm down. This is my project for the day, though. I want to get a price tag on this. I want to get it in the booth for this month's sale because I don't want to leave it behind. I mean, this is money and it's a very short season. So I'm going to get a price tag on it, get it in the booth, and see if it sells. All right. Thanks for watching, you guys. Happy chunking. Bye. Another doom pile project down.
Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more junkin' videos.